Pantro.
Oj.
Ještě.
Shawty cross my mind, think about her all the time. Bitches in my phone, little hoe in my line. It's like 1, 2, 3, shawty, can I call you mine? Kept you in my dreams, yo, what's a lullaby? I'm just saying, shawty, cause you and I till the sun dies. You can hold my hand, take my sweater, you'll be alright. Baby, take my hand, we can dance in the starlights. Baby, I'm inside the 9-6, take a slow drive. Busy with this lunch, you can do to a nigga. Baby, bring it back, count stacks, blue fingers. Shawty, where you at? In my phone, call you back. I'm just chilling with my friends, we say posted at the trap like 1, 2, 3, baby, can I call you mine? We be looking fine every season all the time. I just wanna know what it takes to call you mine. We can roll a blunt, get some fun and shake the time. You love me not, got the girls like a lie. See you in my dreams, love you, shawty, being alive. You can say it on my mind, think about you all the time. Your face is like a dream, make a voice a lullaby. Then you love me not, got the petals like a lie. See you in my dreams, love you, shawty, being alive. You can say it on my mind, think about you all the time. Your face is like a dream, make a voice a lullaby. It's like every single season, baby, you're my favorite highlight. Cruising PCH, see the sunset, watch the time by. I could tell you things, but it doesn't really matter. Baby, look at you, that ass is getting fatter, you can break that. Split that down the middle. Baby, with my blunts while I write to instrumentals. Baby, I'm doing shows, trying to let me post some codes. I can get the things that your ex never could, like that on-play code. Baby, you could wear my jacket, dripping at the toe with the things you want the most. Prada or Chanel, baby, you can get the world. Prada or Chanel, baby, you can get the world. Why sell boots, baby, join me in designer.
No piče, nevypadlo zátoní, kurva. To si děláš piču, ale toto vole. Co?
Dobrý den, nový pracovník.
Dobrý den, jak se jmenujete?
Lakatoš.
Jak jde traktor, pane Lakatoš?
Výborně, víte, kolik železa uveze. Víte ještě nějak generálního ředitele.
Generálního ředitele, jo pane, tak to potřebuji sekretářku, to počkejte chvilku. Paní sekretářka se ptá, jak má velký péro, pravda? Jo, to je v pořádku, takže 5 čísel, jo, bereme ho. Super, jo, děkuji vám. Já si vás zapíšu ještě tady do systému. Tak, pan Lakatoš, co jste v minulosti dělal, pane?
Ve sběrném dvoře.
Já vidím, že jste žádným jako sběrným dvoře nebyl, vy máte tady jako docela pestrý jako trestní rejstřík. Máte doma něco drahého?
Želetu.
OK, dobře, tak to vás samozřejmě bereme. Dobré, pan Lakatoš, generální ředitel. Tak Lakatoš, já vám gratuluju, můžete jít pracovat. Kolega vás tady provede.